Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for everything beautiful outside the home. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever walked into a room and been instantly hit by a harsh artificial chemical scent from a spray or plug-in air freshener? It is completely uninspiring. What if your home could naturally smell like a lush, blooming paradise every single day? Today, we are diving into the wonderful world of fragrant houseplants. We aren't just talking about plants that look beautiful on your shelves. We are looking at the ultimate aromatic powerhouses that will pull double duty as stunning living decor and completely organic, premium room perfumes. So, what exactly do we mean by a fragrant houseplant? Simply put, these are indoor varieties that naturally release sweet, citrusy, or floral aromas through their blossoms, foliage, or even their soil-purifying capabilities. Choosing to fill your home with these aromatic wonders goes way beyond just aesthetics. While standard greenery lifts your mood visually, fragrant plants engage your sense of smell, which is directly linked to memory and emotion in the brain. By substituting artificial candles and chemical sprays with living, breathing greenery, you are drastically reducing synthetic toxins in your indoor air. Plus, varieties like lavender or jasmine provide scientifically proven aromatherapy benefits, naturally lowering stress levels, reducing anxiety, and helping you sleep deeper at night. It is the ultimate hack for an eco-friendly luxury home vibe. Houseplants can do more than enhance your decor. They can also fill your home with delightful aromas. These beautiful, fragrant indoor plants, which range from sweet and floral to warm and spicy, offer wonderful scents through their leaves or flowers, creating a naturally pleasant atmosphere. One, Angel's Trumpet. When in full bloom, Angel's Trumpet captivates with its large, dramatic flowers that emit a strong fragrance at night. This tropical tree thrives outdoors year-round in zones 8 to 10, but should be brought indoors in colder climates. Exercise caution, because all parts of this plant are toxic if ingested. Keep it out of reach of pets and children. Requires bright light and protection from drafts. Keep the soil evenly moist. 2. Arabian jasmine. Arabian jasmine produces beautiful, starry, pure white flowers throughout the year, offering a delicate, flowery aroma. These gorgeous flowers are often used in jasmine tea and Hawaiian leis. You can let the vine stems grow long and train them on a trellis, or shape them into an arching mound for a classic look. Just locate in a sunny spot, maintaining temperatures of 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and keeping the soil consistently moist. 3. Citrus. Some varieties of orange, lemon, and other citrus fruits can adapt well to indoor conditions with ample light. Their flowers fill your space with wonderful scents, and with patience, you might even enjoy homegrown fruits. Keep in mind, growing citrus from seed may take years to bloom and often results in sharp spines, so opt for a named, grafted variety if you're looking for quicker results. Just choose a bright, draft-free spot with high humidity. Maintain a temperature of 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and ensure the soil remains moist. 4. Corsage orchid. Known for their showy blooms, corsage orchids, which are also called cattleya orchids, captivate with their beauty. They are often named after prominent figures like Oprah Winfrey and first ladies such as Jackie Kennedy. Remember to admire their scent too. Water and fertilize regularly in spring and summer, and keep them drier and cooler during autumn and winter. Just provide medium to bright light with high humidity and protection from drafts. Maintain temperatures of 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and allow the soil surface to dry between waterings. 5. Cuban oregano. Cuban oregano is a beautiful, fragrant plant known for its spicy aroma and ease of growth. Despite its name, it isn't native to Cuba, similar to how its relative Swedish ivy isn't from Sweden. The fleshy, fuzzy leaves can be used in cooking. They can also be rubbed to release their scent. This plant roots easily in a potting mix, making it simple to propagate and share with others. It requires a medium to bright spot free from drafts. Ensure well-draining soil remains evenly moist. 6. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus can thrive indoors as a fast-growing houseplant. It flourishes when it is grown in a sunny location, showcasing attractive blue-gray foliage with a distinct aroma when touched. Remember, pruning regularly will keep your eucalyptus full and bushy. Just ensure a bright, sunny spot free from hot or cold drafts. Keep the soil consistently moist. 7. Gardenia. Gardenias offer an exquisite fragrance. However, they can be a challenging houseplant. Their beautiful white flowers are renowned for a strong, sweet scent. In the spring and summer seasons, apply a fertilizer appropriate for acid-loving plants, like azaleas, and safeguard your gardenia from temperature fluctuations. Make sure to provide bright light and maintain high humidity, with temperatures between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the soil slightly acidic and consistently moist. 8. Hoya. Known as the wax plant, Hoya is gaining popularity again. Its waxy, sweetly scented flowers, which are available in pink or white, beautifully contrast with the plant's thick, glossy green leaves. Although Hoyas can be slow to bloom, simply increasing their light exposure can promote flowering. It requires medium to bright light in a draft-free setting. Allow the soil surface to dry out between waterings. 9. Oncidium orchid. While corsage orchids are showstoppers, oncidium orchids rank among the easiest to grow orchids. They make ideal houseplants. These flowers present a wide array of bloom colors, sizes, and blooming periods. Their scents also vary widely. Sharry Baby Sweet Fragrance offers a chocolate aroma, while Twinkle Fragrance Fantasy has a more herbal scent. It requires medium to bright light, high humidity, and protection from drafts. Maintain temperatures of 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. 10. Orange jessamine. When not in bloom, orange jessamine serves as a beautiful foliage plant. When it does start to flower, it offers some of the most fragrant blooms, with clusters of long-lasting white flowers emitting an orange blossom scent. The leaves also release a fragrance when they are rubbed. It requires bright light and high humidity. Let the soil surface dry between waterings. 11. Passionflower. Passionflowers boast beautiful, intricate flowers that appear almost otherworldly. However, not all varieties are fragrant, so make sure to confirm a plant scent by examining tags or descriptions. Notable fragrant options include Passiflora X Belotii, Inspiration, and Elizabeth. Passionflowers grow rapidly and require support, like a trellis, in order to climb. Keep in bright, draft-protected location and maintain 55 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit and consistently moist soil. 12. Scented geranium. Delve into the world of scented geraniums and discover a wide range of different, delightful aromas. Options include scents like rose, lemon, lime, nutmeg, ginger, and chocolate. These stunning plants not only offer pleasant smells but also various leaf shapes and textures that are enjoyable to touch. It requires bright light, and maintain a temperature range of 45 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit and consistently moist soil. 13. Plumeria. A tropical tree known for its beautiful flowers and stunning fragrance, plumeria flowers are commonly used in Hawaiian leis. Their strong scent resembles that of the sweetshade tree. Their beautiful blooms range from classic white to vibrant shades of red, pink, yellow, and orange. It needs bright light and draft protection. Let the soil surface dry out between waterings. 14. Stephanotis. Stephanotis is a popular choice for wedding bouquets because of its starry white flowers and shiny, dark green leaves. Of course, you can grow these delightfully fragrant blooms without any special occasion. Since Stephanotis grows slowly indoors, you should consider placing it in a partly shaded outdoor spot during summer to boost its growth and flowering. It requires medium to bright light, temperatures of 64 to 69 degrees Fahrenheit, and consistently moist soil. 15. Sweet bay. Sweet bay is a slow-growing shrub that can develop into a small tree. It features shiny green leaves with a savory herbal aroma. The leaves can also be used when making soups, stews, and many other dishes. Allow the plant to go dormant in winter if you have a cool room. It requires watering every few weeks, just enough to keep the soil from drying out completely. It requires bright light and temperatures between 45 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and keep the soil consistently moist. Bringing nature's own perfume into your living space truly changes the entire energy of your home. Whether you opt for the sweet nighttime allure of indoor jasmine, the refreshing zing of a potted citrus tree, or the calming earthy notes of fresh eucalyptus, these plants elevate your interior design while treating you to an incredible sensory experience every time you walk through the front door. Caring for them is deeply rewarding, and the payoff of a beautifully scented home is unmatched. If you want to keep transforming your living spaces into beautiful green sanctuaries, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and tap the notification bell so you never miss our weekly plant styling inspiration and decor tips. Drop a comment below and let me know. What is your absolute favorite scent in the world? And which of these plants are you adding to your shopping list this weekend? Thank you so much for watching and happy planting!